Good morning, students. Today we will start with story sums of multiplication, chapter 7. The question reads: there are 5 benches in a classroom. There are 2 students on each bench. How many students are there in all? For the first one, a repeated addition statement is shown that 5 benches, 2 in 1, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to, you can find the answer by way of addition. Now, to apply multiplication, you have to do it in this way. Dash groups of dash students each. How many groups are there? They are sitting in 5 bench, no? So it will be 5 groups. Over here you will write 5. And in each group there are 2 students. 5 into 2 is equal to the answer you will write here. In the same way, you will do number 2, 3 and 4. You will read the question, create the multiplication fact from here and write the answer. After doing the story sums, we will come to this let's practice. These are also very simple things. The multiplication fact is given 2 into 5 is equal to 10. You have to put this in this story. Rita had dash bags. She put dash number of apples in each bag. She had dash apples. So you will write it in this way. Rita had 2 bags. She put 5 numbers of apples in each bag. She had 10 apples in all. Or you can write it in the reverse way. She had 5 bags. She put 2 in each bag. The way you like, you can write it. And the others are very easy. Some multiplications are given. You will be able to do this. And here comes last day's answers. These I will send you a PDF. You can check your answers from there. Number 3, I will explain it little bit. This 10, 20 and 30, these 3 numbers comes both in the table of 2 and 5. 2 5s are 10, so it is coming in table of 2 also, in 5 also. 20, it is 5 4s are 20, again 2 10s are 20. 30 is 2 15s are 30 and 5 6s are 30. So these 3 we will not color and we will put a cross, and these are the 3 numbers that are to be written over here. 5 15 25 comes in the table of 5, so these are colored in green, and the others that come in the table of 2 are colored in red. And this is another page of your last day's homework. The first one is a challenge question. I know, children, most of you have done it correctly and you have enjoyed also doing this, but still, as I promised that I will explain it, so I will do it now. First, let us read the question. 3 brothers, Ram, Sam and Una, went to a restaurant. Ram, the youngest, ordered 2 varas and 1 dosa. Sam ordered the waiter to double the order of him. Him here means Ram. Sam will take double of Ram. Una said double what Sam has ordered. Now how much Sam will take? Una will take double of that. How many dosas and varas did Una get? Over here we have to write number of dosas that Una will get and number of varas. Now let us find out how much Sam will get. Ram ordered 2 varas. Sam will get double of 2, that is 4. And Una will get double of 4, that is 8. So this is varas. He will get 8 varas. And what about the dosas? He ordered 1 dosa. So Sam will get double of 1, that is 2 dosa. And how much Una will get? Double of 2, that is 4 dosa. So this is our challenge question and it was very interesting to do. The other answers are given here. Check the answers from the PDF that I am going to send. And this one, number 4, the answers I have not written because these answers will vary. Different people have different number of fans in our house. Number 3, Mala packed some Christmas gifts. She put one card in each bag. If there are 10 bags, how many cards are there in all? Write the multiplication fact. So she has put one card and the number of bags is 10. So it is 1 into 10, that is 10. This one I have drawn the spares to present balls. 4 into 1 is given. So here in one box there are 4 balls.